Hello everyone, this is Justify Speaks and today we're trying different flavors of KitKat. Last November 11, there's a big sale from Lazada and Shopee, and I was looking into purchasing some items that I need here in the house when I remember that I'm having hard time buying Kitkat Matcha, which is one of my favorite chocolates. So I checked and I saw a lot of sellers, so I just got a lot of KitKats right now, not just the matcha but also some other flavors that is available. I got different flavors of KitKat from two stores in Lazada. The first one is Eli store, who sells this KitKat Matcha. So I saw that this is called the KitKat Light Matcha. So there's a KitKat Dark Matcha and KitKat Light, and this is the KitKat Light Matcha. Also, I saw another store that sells different flavors of KitKat. They also have that Light Matcha, but from Eli, it is a little bit cheaper, but Eli store doesn't have other flavors. So I got this three flavors from iJapan store. So right now they have the current autumn flavors. This one is chestnut. So as you can see, there's chestnut there. Then this one is sweet potato. So there. Purple sweet potato. Then the last one would be strawberry. So I was talking to iJapan store and asking them why other flavors of KitKat is not available, and they said that some flavors of KitKat are only available depending on the season. So these three are the available flavors during autumn. So there's a lot of flavors that they offer. They also have the dark matcha, but I forgot to purchase that one, but that's the most common KitKat matcha that you could see on stores right now. Because I only have 4 flavors right now, I also ordered from them a Japanese dessert called Morinaga Baked Creamy Cheese. This is the strawberry flavor and this is the regular. So we'll try that after trying all of the flavors of KitKat. So basically, before you eat a chocolate, especially KitKat, you need to refrigerate them. So I just got this out of the freezer. So hopefully it's well formula before trying it. So obviously the very first one that I should try is the one that I loved, which is the KitKat Matcha. Though this is a different flavor, this is a KitKat Light Matcha. So I'm thinking that this would be a lighter version of the common matcha flavored KitKat. KitKat Matcha. So it is a lighter version of the original KitKat Matcha. It has a subtle flavor of the matcha. So basically, I like the original version better. But if you like matcha, this is still good. I bought it for 199 per pack, but if you buy 3, it's 555 for 3 packs. So I have 3 packs of KitKat Matcha because that's my favorite one. So let's try the next one. That would be the strawberry. Not sure if this is a strawberry cake. So this one is just a strawberry one, because they have a strawberry cheesecake, but I think that's for summer. So this is how it looks like. Not a fan of strawberry chocolate, but let's try it because this is the only available one. So it's still solid, but you see that this melted before. There's a strong flavor of strawberry here, a little bit tangy, a little bit sour, which is nice. I love that flavor of strawberry. Some strawberry flavored chocolates taste like candy, but this is not like that. The third version would be the chestnut. So it's really an autumn flavor chestnut, because most of the time, especially here in the Philippines, the chestnut is being sold every December for Christmas. So I'm thinking this one should be nutty, because chestnut is a little bit nutty, a little bit creamy. This is how it looks like. I don't want to touch it anymore because it's melting on my hand. So mainly it tastes like condensed milk. That's how creamy it is. Can't find the nuttiness on it. It's like eating a solidified condensed milk. And if you think about it, yeah, if you add sugar on chestnut, it may taste like condensed milk. So the last flavor is sweet potato. There's a lot of sweet potato here in the Philippines, so let's try it. And it shows the purple sweet potato, because there's a lot of types of sweet potato, especially here in the Philippines. There's white, yellow, purple. They call the orange one the pumpkin sweet potato. So this should be the one that is being used in dessert. Yeah, tastes like sweet potato. It's just like eating boiled sweet potato in a Kitkat form, which is really nice. I really love the sweet potato flavor. And last but not the least, we'll try the baked creamy cheese of Morinaga. These are 169 pesos each. I thought this is a large box, but as you can see, it's just a small box. 10 pieces each. So this one is also a Japanese dessert. So yeah, it's 10 pieces, 4 and 6. Let me try one. It's really a small one, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it's creamy. Damn, it's really good. So it's like the Hanjuku cheesecake in Komori, but in a small piece. But this is 169 for 10 pieces. That is, cheesecake is around 30 pesos each. It's not a bite-sized one, unlike this. But it's still good. I will give some to my sisters afterwards. So let us try the last one, which is the strawberry creamy cheesecake. So I'm thinking it's the same cheesecake, but it has a strawberry flavor. Again, small pieces, 10 pieces, and doesn't look like it has strawberry in it. Oh, it has some in the middle. I just hope that you can see it. So there's a small part of the strawberry. Let's try. Try. It's like the cheesecake with a Kitkat strawberry in it. It's good. Love this one. It's citrusy. We have a lot of cream cheese flavor. It's also 169. So if you're craving for cheesecake, get this one. Again, I want to thank iJapan store and Eli store for this dessert. So hope you like this video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and push the notification bell so that you will be notified on my upcoming videos about food, travel, and food reviews. If you have any comments, suggestions on what I should do next, please put that on the comment box below. And if you like this video, please press the thumbs up button and share it to your friends. That's all for now. Thank you and God bless.